Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today we have the Triple Pepperoni Pizza. All right, we have this pizza dough. It's basically my rustic pizza dough. I've made it several times. I'll link a video that shows you how to make it. I aged this dough for 48 hours before I made this pizza. And what we're going to do is basically I'm slathering on my pizza sauce, which is take a 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes or tomato sauce, a tablespoon of olive oil, 3 cloves of garlic that are minced, a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of Italian seasoning, a quarter teaspoon of red pepper flakes, about a teaspoon of black pepper, and 2 teaspoons of balsamic. Mix all that together and throw in a slow cooker for at least a couple of hours. All right, now we've got our pizza sauced. And now we're going to add a generous amount of cheese. This is a mix of mozzarella and provolone. Now that we've got our pizza sufficiently cheesed, it's time to add the pepperonis. Basically, there's pepperonis 3 different ways here. First is some julienne pepperoni, or pepperoni that I've julienned. A fancy way of saying I cut it into thin little strips. Followed by some diced up pepperoni, and then followed by the standard slices of pepperoni that we see on every pizza. And once you've got this thing sufficiently covered in pepperoni, pop it into a 500-degree oven for about 10 to 15 minutes, or until, the crust is nice and golden brown, the cheese is nice and bubbly, when it's done. And through the magic of cooking show editing, our pizza is done. And I will say, this did not last long. This lasted about 25 minutes. Everybody ripped this apart. So, that's a triple pepperoni pizza. Done.